Hey, what's up, y'all? Good afternoon. Today we're cooking with my tia, and she's gonna be teaching us how to cook chile relleno. As you saw earlier, the chile poblanos and my tia wrapped specifically to keep the vapor in, and that's gonna make our life easier as we're gonna peel it right now. When you keep it in the bag, the steam makes it easier for us to peel the skin. My tia is deveining and taking out the seeds of the chile poblano, as you can see. We're now just shredding the chicken. It's gonna be mixed with olives, capers, almonds, onions, garlic, cinnamon, peppercorn, and a little bit of salt. Chopping the tomatoes right now. It's gonna be combined with some of the ingredients, as you can see, that I mentioned earlier. Here I have the onions and garlic. Okay. Capers. And almonds. Canela y...
No, eso no vamos a poner.
A little bit of salt.
Una cucharita.
Una. To grind up the cinnamon and the dry peppercorn, gonna wet the mortar and then start grinding it up. And don't forget to always add a little more water just to keep it wet. Running it through a colander. Look at the colors, the redness of the tomato, the raisins, the olives. So the sauteed ingredients earlier: chicken, tomato, onion, garlic, raisins, almonds, peppercorn paste with cinnamon, is going to be stuffed into the chile poblano. Getting this last one in there. Right now she is separating the yolk from the egg whites. This egg, gonna get them beaten. She just shifted to second gear, third gear. We have this flour here that we're gonna cover the chile poblano with. Then the egg whites goes after, so the powder is for the egg whites to stick. As you can see, the egg whites got really fluffy. Take some time. The egg yolks is going to be added. Kind of looks like the meringue consistency that you're looking for, you know? Okay, the floured chile rellenos are going to get dipped. So she's completely covering it, dipping it in, taking an extra scoop in there and frying it now. You can see she's adding a little more because she needs to make sure that it is completely covered. As you can see, look at the color, it's very light and golden. Oh wow. Earlier we prepped some rice, beans, and some chile relleno sauce. As you can see, we plated it already here. Now we're plating the chile relleno. A nice golden crispy. So we have here a sauce, chile de arbol, tomato, and garlic. And just for extra garnish, ranchero cheese on top. And there you have it. Result, got the rice, beans, the chile poblano that we prepared earlier, stuffed it, fried it, and garnished it at the end with some queso ranchero.